So, ayan guys, no, kasi kanina na background music, no, sana hindi ko makapiright sa background music na yun. And then, kasi since sa birthday kasi sa ni Dr. Micaela at atong June 8, guys, ayan, tinatabihan talaga niya ako ng, ng cake, guys. Ito yung cake ni Mikay, eh. And then, guys, meron pa rin ako spaghetti, guys. Naka-frozen po talaga yan. Naka-frozen yan pagdating kanina, guys. Kaya sabi ni Mikay, yung sister, younger sister namin, youngest sister namin, ang nagmalita na siyang dala, guys. Alam mo yung malita na pang hand carry, pang malita na yung pwede mo dalhin sa plane. Yun po talaga ang dinala niya kasi puro food po ang laman nun, guys. Ayan, ito po yung spaghetti na padala ni Mama. My God, alam mo ito, guys, she really exerted a lot of thoughts talaga, no? Yung loving thoughts talaga to do all these things, guys, okay? Meron pa rin akong litson, guys. Pang-paksyo ko mamaya, guys. Ginoo ko, nagsuko pa siya, guys, kay yung my God, kasi gusto niya yung bili banda sa akin, pero yun ang nakuha ng one of the bisita doon sa Ito po yung, pero ito po yung paa dakit, guys, okay? Yung paa sa lechon. So, mas okay pa rin to. Mas okay pa rin to kasi hindi siya mataba, okay? Malaman siya pag nasa legs po siya, okay? Kaso lang, wala siya masyadong flavor kasi nandun sa tummy ng lechon, eh. Yung mga flavor, but it's okay. So, yan po pinapadala ng mama ko, guys. Ganito po talaga siya, guys. Alam mo nun, every time talaga na makauwi ako from college talaga, guys, tapos babalik na ako sa school kasi I live away from home, and then at the same time I work and study. Pinapadalhan niya ako kung ano yung available goods sa bahay, kaya just in case na maubusan ako ng food, ng pira, or maubusan ako ng pira or pagkain, ng pira, at least hindi ako maubusan ng pagkain. So diyan po binabalutan po talaga ako ni Mama ni kanya sa lahat ng sa settings na to, guys. This is nag-exert talaga yung mama ko. My God, na-feel ko talaga yung love of a mother, no, sa ginawa niya, sa pag-effort niya, sa pagbalot niya ng mga ganito, sa paglagay niya sa plastic na ganyan. Tapos yung mga ganyan, kasi yung Franco Anjolo ko nandun sa parents ko ngayon, doon sila nag-vacation. So ito yata yung ibang mga snacks nila everyday. So my mother also shared this one with me here because it's only my daughter Victoria and me here in the house, so, as of now, guys. So meron pa talagang ganito, meron pa siyang love letter. Oh my God, my God, sino nakaka-relate dyan, guys? Please comment down below, guys. Kasi yung nakarelate mo ng ganito, a mother's love po talaga, guys. Chocolate from Canada. Oh my God! My God, talaga. Chocolate from Canada. Now, chocolate from Canada. Alam mo yung love letter ni Mama ko. Chocolate from Canada. For your hunger and there's no food or so tiresome to cook. Eat this chocolate for soldiers in war. Eat this chocolate for soldiers in war. Grabe talaga si Mother. Ito dong chocolate na to. Tingnan mo yung binalot niya, guys. Okay, yan po guys. Itong chocolate na to is very special to. Ito daw yung kinakain ng mga soldier pag nasa war. Okay, so galing pa to ng Canada. Siguro, nag-package yung brother ko. Kasi galing pa daw yung chocolate ko from Canada. Remember, guys, my brother is in Canada, guys. Nasa Canada po yung brother ko, okay? So, yan, ano pa siya ng, alam mo, guys, chocolate from Canada for your hunger and there's no food or so tiresome to cook. Eat this chocolate for soldiers, yan, in war. In war po yan, na-cover po siya, eh. Yan, okay, ano na to? O yan, in war. Yan po ang handwriting ng mama ko, guys. Ito po yung talaga yung, oh my God. Ito po talaga yung handwriting ng mother ko, okay? Ayan. Sulat po yan talaga ng mama ko, guys. So yan, guys, okay? So ito po, guys, ito po yung lechon, guys. No, alam mo, at saka binigyan pa rin ako ng hotdog, guys. Alam mo, kahit hotdog, guys, binalutan din niya ako. Kaya nga, binawasan na niya yung grocery nila doon sa bahay. Alam mo yan, tingnan mo, guys, lechon talaga to, guys. Talagang super balot yan. Tingnan natin. Kasi nga, birthday ng sister ko. last June 8. Talagang tinabihan niya, wow, praise her. Naka-freezer pa talaga to guys. Tingnan mo, tigas na tigas pa talaga siya guys. So yan po pinadala niya sa akin dito. And then nagyaw-yaw pa siya kasi dapat yung sa bili banda ang ako guys. So yan po, litson po yan guys ha. Sa paa ni siya dapit sa litson guys. So malaman po talaga siya guys. Walang fat. Okay, so yan po ang pinadala ng mother ko guys. Yan po. Lahat po yan is made with love po pa. Send by love. Padala with love po talaga yan from Cagayan de Oro City doon sa mother ko, okay? Yan, meron po din kaming Toblerone, meron po kami mga snacks kasi yung boys ko si Franco and si Jolo, nandun sila nag-vacation sa grandparents nila, with isang mother ko, doon sila So ito rin po guys, to guys? So, ang papa ko talaga is mahilig sa kanding, okay? Yung karni ng kanding, goat meat, okay? Yung kanding, okay? So, ito po, paklay po ito. Paklay yan. Paborito ko rin to Paborito ko rin tong kainin, yung kanding, yung sa kanding guys. So, ayan guys, binigyan din ako ng mama ko. Ito, frozen pa to. Initin ko to ngayon kasi ito yung kainin ko guys. Paklay po to guys. Lami kayo na guys kasi karni ng kanding yan guys, okay? Ayan, ito po ay fruit salad. Macaroni sana. Oh my God, talagang binalutan ako ni Mother. Mama, thank you so much, Ma. I love you, Ma. Ito, pinadalhan niya ako ng ice cream kagabi. Frozen na frozen talaga to guys. Pero hindi ko to nilagay sa freezer ko kasi baka mabasag, kasi babasagin. Tingnan mo. Babasagin siya, so glass siya. So hindi ko siya malagay sa freezer baka kasi mabasag. O yan, so binadalhan din ako ng pinya fresh from Del Monte, Philippines. So yeah, kahit isa lang yan guys. Kaya alam mo yung sister ko guys, ang bagahin niya is yun lang pang hand carry luggage no sa airplane. So usually talaga hindi siya nagdadala ng luggage every time that she visits her for her doctoral school in Ateneo, Davao. Ngayon nagdala po talaga siya ng malita just for this one guys. Ito ito heavy ito Oh, tingnan mo, mabigat yan, letson kasi yan ito sa paato. And then meron din akong hotdog guys talaga lahat ng grocery ni Mama share na niya sa akin. Saka yan, mga chocolate yan, Toblerone, saka mga ganito, mga crackers, at saka mga mga quick, yan. So, salamat talaga, Mama. I love you, Ma. And then, lahat, meron pa akong, talaga. Oh, guys, remember, please comment down below sa lahat pong na mga anak dyan, na palangga sa mga inahan, guys, no? Yung mga tao po na blessed, super blessed na having a good mom. Please comment down below what you can comment to my post here. This is really from my mom. She really prepared this for me because she's 8 hours drive away from me guys, okay? So my sister Dr. Micaela Hamora is here in the house guys. So yan dinigyan pa rin ako ng cake parang kasama pa rin ako doon sa birthday ng sister ko noong June 8. Parang kung ano yung kinain nila nung birthday ni Doc Mikay, nakain ko rin guys. Kaya tingnan mo, pinadalhan din ako guys. Yan po mga goods niya. Like, love you Ma, I love you Ma. Meron pang panot si Mother Dear. Okay, nabasa ko na to kanina. Meron pa siyang chocolate from Canada. Okay guys, grabe talaga. Hoy! Grabe talaga guys. No Goldie. Nako, inanunan, buti ko. Okay, so yan. See guys, yan, handwritten po yan yan po lahat ng mga pasulubong ni Mother sa kuwanan. Nilagay pa talaga yan ni Sister Dr. Mikay sa luggage guys, hand carry luggage every time na mag-travel tayo. Yan po lahat laman ng malita niya. Napapasubo siya magdala ng malita ngayon dahil ang bigat ng litson ko guys, and then naka-frozen pa po ito lahat. At saka ito, meron akong macaroni salad. Oh my God, meron din akong ice cream guys. Alam mo, yung pagbabalo ng mother nyo ng ganito. Alam mo, ma-feel nyo talaga yung love of a mom. You know, my mother is, she's going to be 70 this year. And then, oh my God, guys, alam mo, ganun. Because I'm the eldest of the family, guys. And I'm already 46, going 47 this year as well. So, yan, ginagawa pa rin. Kung ano yung ginagawa ng mama ko, you know, what she's doing to me when I was in my college or when I was in my you know, when I was in my, you know, younger years, she's still doing it. She's still doing this one up to now. So napaka-blessed ko talaga to have a mom like my mom. Alright, guys? So to all of you there that who can relate me, please comment down below and bless your mom, okay? And say I love you to your mom, guys, okay? So comment down below and mention your mom and say I love you to her. I love you to her, guys, because ganun talaga is life talaga is napaka-special talaga yung life. Especially my mother is she's going to be 70 this year, guys. I love you, ma. If you're watching this, I love you so much. Thank you so much for your present, to your pasalubong. I really appreciate it from my heart, Mama. God bless you, Ma. God bless you. I miss you, Ma. I miss you. Nakakaiyak. Nakakaiyak talaga kasi na, alam mo, sa lahat ng pinadala niya, she really exerted a lot of thoughts talaga. Doing this one for me here. Talagang inaalala niya ako, and then si Victoria na kami lang dito sa Davao, dito sa bahay ko, no? Inaalala niya. So, ito talaga, she really prepared this one. Intended talaga for me and my Victoria here in Davao City kasi kami lang talaga nandito. Alam mo, yung pag-prepare niya is ma-feel mo talaga yung love niya during while she's preparing this one for me. And then yung effort niya talaga, So this is something that she never told me in the messenger, you know. This is really surprised me because I never really expect that she's going to padala me a lot of this stuff. Yun, this is already a lot, guys, okay? Pati yung mga panakot na pinadala na rin niya. So, I love you, ma. God bless you. Yan po. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys, and like and comment to this video, guys. Sa lahat po nakarelate diyan, you know. We are blessed to have a very good mom, the super mom in the world, my mama, okay? So, flex your mom as well, guys. Bye! Bye, guys. Have a good day.